guys, welcome back to my YouTube. Whenever you talk to someone who's very successful, productive and confident, most of the people talk to them, communicate with them, and you feel like you're impressed with his or her personality. Earlier in one of my videos, I have discussed about one of the most important aspects of personality development, and that is confidence. You will get the link of that video in the iCard of this video. Have you ever noticed that all those people whose personality or the image they create of themselves, they get impressed, they never stand or sit slouched or bent. They are always erect. The second most important thing is posture. So in this video, I'm going to tell you about disadvantages of slouching and bending, how to fix your posture, benefits of fixing your posture. So let's begin this video. Disadvantages of slouching and bending. In this modern lifestyle, we mostly have the desk jobs, keep continuously looking at mobile or laptop, and if you are in one who has a sedentary lifestyle, then bad posture can lead to severe back pain, muscle fatigue, spinal dysfunction, pot belly, etc. It may have a chronic effect on your health and may damage your spine. To fix your posture are some exercises you need to do on a regular basis. Bhujangasana or Pavanmuktasana, it will strengthen your back muscles and spine from stiffening and will reduce fatigue. Bhujangasana is also known as the cobra pose in English. You can also do Surya Namaskar, which will give you the benefits of full body exercise in just a few minutes. Benefits of fixing your posture. As told earlier, it improves your personality in front of a person. It makes you look confident. It improves your focusing ability, makes you look tall, backaches get reduced, improves athletic performance, it enhances your mood, it strengthens your abdomen and reduces the risk of suffering from other health chronic problems in future. So guys, I hope you liked this video and you found it useful. If you did, please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much. God bless you all. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.